Hello everyone, it's Natasha from Ulster's Global Engagement Team. So we're here today on the very sunny Belfast campus. I don't know if you can see the light shining through the windows, but it's a beautiful, beautiful day. And we're here today with Mc Ginn, who is our lecturer for product design. Martin's going to tell us a little bit about the course and answer some questions for us. So Martin, can you first of all give us a bit of an overview on product design?
We have two courses here in product design. One is the BA, the Bachelor of Arts in Product Design, and one is the Master of Arts in Product Design. The Bachelor is a 3-year program with an option to take a sandwich year or a year placement or a year of international study. And then we have a 1-year Master's program that kind of sits above it as a postgraduate option for students. The undergraduate is a really, really diverse course. You get to experience all different forms of projects and all different forms of design thinking, disruptive thinking, creativity. You know, we start off at a very basic level from model making, prototyping. You'll learn about basic working with basic materials such as papers, cards, styrings, foams, timbers, metals, even natural materials like stone, and you're able to kind of then build that into your processes of like an iterative development process as you go through. We also have professional practice modules that you do, which enable you as a professional designer, young designer, to upskill yourself, make yourself more employable, and get you ready for industry or get you ready for the next step in your career.
And are these some of the pieces that the students design
so
themselves?
Really big diverse things, from looking at mobility aids, looking at furniture for disabled kids, looking at kind of just designer maker trends where you've got people who just want to kind of make one-off low batch production to high batch production of office furniture that engages productivity in the workplace. You've got things around food waste and obesity. So whenever you start the course, you look at very much smaller projects, very quick problem solving techniques, short, sharp projects we call them. And then as you move through, we do more live projects in second year where you're actually engaging with industry. Industry come in and pitch our students live briefs, which then helps them become more exposed to employers or potential place employers. And then in the third year, we look at more societal issues in regards to bigger problems that face us, and we use briefs from the likes of the RSA, the Royal Society of Arts. We look at the World Health Organization. We look at different government and healthcare schemes that will be affecting us, and see how design can make an impact and make an intervention and actually come out with a solution that can maybe challenge these problems that we have.
Okay, I think that is something that's key in Ulster. Employability is key. So within product design, there is the placement year, so third year students can go out.
Everything we do, we call it's really applied. It's very focused and very mirrored to what you do in the industry. We have studios here, which you would have, and obviously in most, international and national design practices. It's a studio culture, as we call it. So the students are there all the time. They're working with the staff. It's very, very exposed to the staff. So you get a lot of help. The studios are 24-hour access. So they can come in anytime, day or night. They've got, you come through security and you can access that. We've got, workshops with all the high-end equipment, right from basic woodworking techniques and working with plastics, right up to high-end rapid manufacturing and 3D printing and 3D scanning. But it is all applied to what industry needs. And as I said, with the light briefs in second year and with the larger subject matter in third year, we also get industry people to come in and sit on our critique panels in third year. So the students are actually pitching continuously over a 12-week period to industry professionals who are working in aerospace, they're working in furniture, they're working in mobility products, they're working in industrial or product design. They're working on all different sectors across, and that experience has been brought back in. So it enables the students then to really gain first-hand from professionals who are at the coalface, understanding what level they're at and how much more they need to do. But the feedback is always brilliant. Now the students love it, they lap it up, and the industry people think it's fantastic of what we're doing and the experience that we're giving the students.
Fantastic. Well, touching on placements, we actually have a few of Martin's students with us today. So we shall chat to Jenny, Kathy and Sarah. So hello girls, how are you? Could you each tell us very quickly, you're on your placement year at the moment, so where are you working and are you enjoying it?
Yeah, so I did my placement in Old Mill Salary down in Larne, and I actually just finished it recently in March because I started there last May. So really enjoyed it, learned an awful lot, but since then I've kind of decided to do my own equestrian business as a branch of that, so I've decided to work on that kind of the rest of the placement year till we go into final year again.
Fantastic. It's really, really interesting. And what about you, Kathy, then? What are you doing?
So I got myself a placement in Portadown. They're called the Deluxe Group. They're like do bespoke joinery. So I'm working with the design team, drawing up working drawings using AutoCAD that are for manufacture. So it's been really, really good
Brilliant.
so far.
Fantastic. And Sarah, what about you?
I'm working for a company called TrueCorp. They're a medical stimulation company that helps surgeons and ambulance men improve their skills and saving lives and
Brilliant.
situation. Yeah.
And really diverse, placements, all very, very different. And in terms of support that you got in finding those placements, interview techniques and things, did Ulster support you in finding your placement?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Definitely throughout finding placements, there was lots of placement opportunities shared on our Creo group, which has past students and current ones and ones younger than us as well. So you got to see what was going on and what was potentially available. Even if it didn't suit you, you got to see what sort of jobs were out there that you could potentially do.
Fantastic.
I think as well from doing the module in second year, which we got the end result was to have a portfolio, and I think through doing that and getting feedback from the teachers and stuff, that was able to help us get an idea of what we needed. And
Brilliant. So there sounds like there was a lot of support then. That's fantastic.
definitely.
Thank you, girls. We're now going to chat to Johnny Hill. Johnny is our regional manager for the Americas, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about applying and scholarships that are available and things like that. So, Johnny, how are you?
Very good, thanks. How are you?
Good, very good. So, if an international student wants to apply to Ulster, what do they do?
Best thing to do is to go on our website, which is ulster.ac.uk, and on there is the global section and how to apply. You can apply direct, it is free, nice and easy, nice and simple. You can also contact us if you have any questions at global@ulster.ac.uk.
Brilliant. And in terms of the cost, that's always everybody's question. How much does it actually cost to come to Ulster to do product design for both undergraduate and postgraduate?
Okay, so our tuition fees are £13,680. However, we try to support our students as much as possible. We offer a scholarship to all international students of £2,000 as a tuition fee reduction for each year of studies.
Fantastic, brilliant. Okay, Martin is actually now going to show us some of the facilities that we have for our product design students. So we're going to walk down the hall.
Yeah. So as I said before, we've got a range of different workshops, right from working with textiles, fashion, mold making, plaster casting, all the fine art workshops are available to our product students. So there's a very multidisciplinary exposure there. We've got the woodworking, metalworking workshops, model making workshops. So a really diverse range of facilities for the students, because obviously with our course being so diverse and the different outcomes that can happen, then we have to have everything on hand really, and we try and have as much on campus as possible. And then we've got outside sort of support networks that we use as well. But as I said, the studios are all 24-hour access. We have to apologise because we are in the middle of getting ready for end of year show. So we've already started to take down partitions and
it's a very busy time, isn't it? Our busiest time of the year actually with the final year show.
Final years, and then some of our final years just in the place, just kind of working away towards the final outcome. So they've got a hand-in now around the 21st of May, and then the final hand-in for assessment for the degrees on the 28th of May.
Fantastic.
The end of year show happens every year, and it's on the Friday the 8th of June, so if any of your viewers are in the country and want to come along, it's open access, free to the public, and they can come along. So Friday evening, festival atmosphere, all the different courses and disciplines of the art school are all on show in the architecture school as well, and then come along and see all what the students do.
Brilliant, thank you, Martin.
Alright.
So that is the end of our very first Instagram live Q&A session. Thank you to our viewers that tuned in. As you can see, Belfast, beautiful, beautiful day for it, so thank you all. If you have any questions, please simply email global@ulster.ac.uk, or you can also send us a direct message on Instagram. Thank you.